This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make guacamole from Chipotle. First, gather your ingredients: 3 ripe Hass avocados, 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, 1 jalapeno, the juice of 1 lime, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Ensure your avocados are perfectly ripe for the best creamy texture. This simple list sets the stage for a fantastic dip. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Carefully cut your 3 ripe avocados in half, remove the pits, and scoop the creamy flesh into a bowl. Next, finely dice your red onion and chop the fresh cilantro. For the jalapeno, mince it finely. Remember to remove the seeds and membranes if you prefer less spice. Finally, squeeze the juice from 1 lime. These steps ensure everything is ready for mixing. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to mash and mix. Using a fork or a potato masher, gently mash the avocado in the bowl, leaving some small chunks for texture. Add the diced red onion, chopped cilantro, and minced jalapeno. Pour in the fresh lime juice and sprinkle with a ½ teaspoon of salt. Gently fold everything together until well combined but not overly smooth. This creates that perfect Chipotle-style consistency. Your delicious homemade guacamole is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips or as a side with tacos and burritos. For best results, eat it fresh. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container with plastic wrap pressed directly onto the surface to prevent browning. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing, fresh guacamole within 1 to 2 days. It's truly a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.